Hello everyone, welcome to the course on Practical Machine Learning with Python. This is chapter 2.5, Concept Learning. By the end of this module, we will cover all the topics related to the concept learning. This chapter considers concept learning, acquiring the definition of a general category, given a sample of positive and negative training examples of the category. Concept learning can be formulated as a problem of searching through a predefined space of potential hypotheses for the hypothesis that best fits the training examples. What is a concept? A concept is a subset of objects or events defined over a larger set. For example, the concept of a bird is a subset of all objects, that is, the set of all things or animals that belong to the category of bird. In more technical terms, a concept is a Boolean valued function defined over this larger set. For example, a function defined over all animals whose value is true for birds and false for every other animal. So what is a concept learning? Given a set of examples labeled as members or non-members of concept, concept learning considers of automatically inferring the general definition of this concept. In other words, concept learning consists of approximating a Boolean valued function from training examples of its inputs and outputs. Example of a concept learning task. To ground a discussion of concept learning, consider the example task of learning the target concept. For example, good days for water sports. We also define the following attributes and their set of values. This table consists of a set of example days, each represented by a set of attributes. We consider the following encoding constraints in a hypothesis using these values. We give the exact value if we need that particular attribute. For any value, we use a question mark. For no value, we use a 0. Example of an encoded hypothesis is shown on the slide. The sky, wind, water forecast can have any value. If the air temperature is cold and the humidity is high, then it is a good day for water sports. What do you say whether this statement is true or false? So let us look at the table given. The value of sky is rainy. It can take any value. It can be either sunny or rainy. So let us look at air temperature. This statement says the air temperature is cold. So the only day on which the air temperature is cold is on day 3, where the sky is rainy. So let us look at the result. So it says the hypothesis is false. So the goal is to infer the best concept description from the set of all possible hypotheses. Best means which best generalizes to all known or unknown elements of the instance space. So we can consider few general hypotheses and few specific hypotheses which is shown on the screen. Here are few terminologies and notations which are useful for concept learning. Concept learning as search. Concept learning can be viewed as a task of searching through a large space of hypotheses implicitly defined by the hypothesis representation. Selecting hypothesis representation is an important step since it restricts the space that can be searched. For example, the hypothesis, if the air temperature is cold or the humidity high, then it is a good day for water sports, cannot be expressed in our own chosen representation. That's all. Thank you.